Today we will be replacing the idle air control valve. Try to fix this rough idle. That's it right there. You just need to unplug this harness right here and use a T20 bit to get the two screws, one on top and one on the bottom. If you've got a long enough driver for your Torx, you don't even need to take all the throttle body off. You can just go right underneath of it. Okay, with both of the screws out, it should pop right out. And there we are, the old and the new one. I don't know if this one's stuck in an out position or what, but it is not the same length as the new one. Guess we'll find out. Don't forget to include this little O-ring on your new one before you put it back in. Also, to make sure to install this new one with the plug towards you here on the driver's side. Once you've got those two screws tightened back up, pop your clip back on and reattach anything you move to get it out of the way. Okay, the new IACV seemed to have fixed my rough idle, but now when I give it gas, it's stuttering, so fuel filter is my next thing to do.